So here I am, sitting in the most extraordinary boat. Her name's Courageous. I picked her up this morning. She's just so perfect. She was built in the late 70s and finished in the early 80s by an extraordinary sail and yacht maker, a master craftsman, in Sydney by Huon Pine, all Huon Pine, all beautiful. Pretty sure she's got a spruce mast though. And she's full of these incredible features. The fellow who owned her before me made these awesome soft shackles for stowing the rigging. There's gorgeous little plugs and spots for pulling things out. It's just absolutely stunning. So I'm going to pop up some photos to show you guys what Courageous looks like in detail. And I know I am looking forward so much to the incredible adventures that I'm going to take the kids on in this little boat exploring Tasmania. Welcome to the family, Courageous.